Hello, good afternoon everybody. My name is Antonino Cipriotti. We look at tooth extraction and implant placement using magnetic mallet. In order to extract gently the root, I'll start with the luxator number 1, force 2. Working only mesial and distal in order to preserve the buccal plate. Now I use the extraction number 2, force 2, and again working only mesial and distal.
Sembra che se ne sia venuto. Eccolo qua.
Palatal and buccal sides are well represented. The implant tunnel will follow a palatal inclination. The first instrument I use is 100, an osteotome with the sharp tip force 2, with an inclination of 45 degrees to a palatal wall. Now you can see I correct the inclination parallel to palatal wall. Second instrument is 160 force 2. I start with an inclination of 45 degrees, and now you can see I correct the inclination parallel to palatal wall. The third instrument is osteotome 200, using parallel to palatal wall. Every strike advances maximum 1 mm, no hit. The last instrument is osteotome 300. Now I can back use osteotome 200. In Italy we call this passage ricapitolazione. And now I insert the implant Sweden and Martina, Prama, 3.8 large and 15 mm long. Will be able to obtain a primary stability more than 50 Newton. I check the implant position in relation with the buccal and palatal plate, the gap between the implant and the bone, and I fill this gap using simply Spongostan. Spongostan is an hemostatic gelatin sponge, and it will be completely resolved in 4-6 weeks. Nothing else. Thank you for your attention.